guys, good day. This is Mr. Shah. I'm back again. It's been quite some time, guys. I'm back again, guys, with a very good video that I want to make for you guys so that you can be able to be up to date about what is it that is happening in the crypto space and what are the tokens that you can actually look up to and all those kind of things. So otherwise, without any waste of time, I want us guys to actually go into the review of this token called Kishu Token. I remember doing this review back, I think, last year, back in I think it was in 2022 or 2021, somewhere there. I did a review on this token, guys, but I want to come back again now and do the 2023 review, so then we can look at all the developments that have come up with this amazing project, guys. This project, guys, is called Kishu Token. I'm a huge fan. Personally, I'm a huge fan, so I will be trying to bring every latest news behind this project, everything that is happening behind this project. I'll try to make sure that all of you guys, you stay up to date. This is a very good project, guys. Remember, it's a meme token, came out after the tokens like Shiba Inu came out and it did very well. It's a project that is actually built up on the Ethereum network, project that also have a huge community behind it. Also, it's a community project. It's just an amazing stuff. So we're gonna be going through all that, and then, guys, you'll be able to get more information about this project without any waste of time. We are going into this amazing video. But before we get into all that, guys, remember, my name is Mr. Sham, the founder of Shalom Cryptocurrency Institution, where we teach cryptocurrency to crypto beginners and also crypto those who are advanced in the crypto space. So we provide all crypto education about cryptocurrencies. But for all information regarding that, I'm gonna drop the link down on the description. Make sure that you check it out. Also, if you want to follow me, you can follow me as Mr. Shah on Facebook. You can check me out also on Twitter as the Crypto Guy. Guys, you can just check me on social networks, and we can be able also to interact or be able also to share with you everything that is happening in the crypto space. So it's just an amazing stuff. But remember, guys, I want you guys to remember this. I'm not a financial advice. This is my disclaimer. I'm not a financial advice. I'm just going to be sharing with you guys my experience. I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I think about the project. But before you invest in any project, always do your own research and always do your own due diligence, guys. Let's get down into this. The name of the project, guys, is called Kishu Token. Kishu Token is an amazing project. You can check it out. Also on Twitter, there you can see Kishu Inu. They have about 481,000 followers. So it's a huge community. They have a huge community. You can also see going down here some of the updates that are amazing, guys. You can also check it out. So they're talking about a lot of things that are taking place there, and then also if you go down there, you can be able to see other things that are taking place. Remember this project also, you can also use it also on traveler.com. Amazing stuff as well. This is just Kishu Token, guys, but for you guys to find all information, you can always go and follow them out on their Twitter account. You can come here and get their Twitter account, and then also to find them more about these guys, about the community, about who's behind the project, the website. You can check also this link here. If you click this link here, guys, it will be able to take you to this page where you're gonna be able to see all the links available connected to this amazing project. You can see the top there is the website. There's a 10-SHI governance token as well. You can see Kishu Swap. This is a decentralized platform as well, or exchange. You can see PowerPrint. You can see Kishu Investment. You can see Kishu Invest NFT Royalty Checker. You can see Kishu Vest OpenSea. You can see Kishu Craft. Amazing stuff. Also, if you wanna join them in Telegram, guys, you can check announcement channel where you get all the announcements. And amazing, you need to make sure that you check this one out. Very important, where you're gonna be getting all the announcements about the project. And also you can see Kishu main channel on Telegram and 10-SHI governance token. Because remember, 10-SHI governance token is also part of the community or part of the project of KishuInu. Now, also the blockchain, this project, guys, is on the Etherscan. You can check them out also on CoinGecko. We're gonna go there and check some few tokenomics as well, and then also you can check them also on coinmarketcap. Is there Dex tools as well, and then also you can see the audit done by Cetic as well, and then proof of LP ban. This is actually what is actually being destroyed by this project. You can actually go and check it out as well. And the social networks, you can actually be able to follow them on Twitter. Just click there, then it will take you right to the account. Discord, Instagram, TikTok, Reddit, YouTube, Medium, and then Facebook and LinkedIn. It's It's an amazing stuff. It's a huge community, guys. Huge community. Now, if you check out the website of this project, it's an amazing, amazing, amazing. I'm already aware of this website. I've been in this website even before. It says Little Meme, Big Dream. It's a very amazing project. One thing that I like about this project, guys, it's a community-based project. It's a community-based project. So it's not centralized to a certain individual, certain group of people, but it's a group. It's a project of everyone. Now they are asking why Kishu. Now you are asking yourself, for example, why Kishu? Says instead usage rewards. If you come here, you're going to be able to see that they say for every active user transaction, a 2% Kishu reward is granted to holders. So the more you hold, the more you are able to actually get more tokens when every transaction is actually taking place. It's an amazing stuff, guys. It says our as community empowered. Kishu is a fully decentralized and owned by its vibrant community. Our enthusiasts, volunteers welcome and embrace diverse perspectives to build Kishu into the best community in the crypto space. So it's owned by the community. You are holding the project or this project, you become actually part of the community. So simple as that. So safe and secure. The Kishu contract has been fully audited by the top specialist team and its LP, the KishuInu tokens have been banned. That means next to zero risk to our users and community from the potential bad actors, right? So you are actually secure, you are actually safe when you come to this amazing project. So now you're gonna check out the recent stories about this project. You can see also here Patient Venture Capital, Bybit Kishu partnership, amazing stuff, amazing stuff. Remember, Bybit is one of the biggest and one of the greatest exchanges that we have in the space. And Dubai Expo, Kishu Inu Token. See, this one took place in 2021, this one 2022, and this one in 2022 as well. So guys, going down, you can be able to check it out as well and see how you can go about creating also the wallet and also way to get Kishu. You can check it out from these exchanges. But also the most important thing that I always say to people before you buy the project, understand everything about the project. Now, for you to understand everything the project, it's a must. You have to check out the white paper. Now, if you look at the white paper, they are saying that Kishu token, right? It's started from the bottom there. You can just go and check it out. But I just want to start here. We're talking about the Kishu token. It says Kishu is an ERC20 token, meaning that it's on the Ethereum network. It says which started on the Ethereum blockchain in April 17, 2021. Right? It says the max supply is 100 quadrillion, and one of its key functionalities is its decentralized usage rewards mechanism. For every active user transaction, 2% rewards is granted to the holders, decentralized wallets only, right? Fostering a healthy distributed network and community usage. The more Kishu is actively used, the more rewards are granted, right? It says now, if you check it out, also you can see the Kishu token smart contract successfully passed to top grade security audit to further the community confidence in full transparency. So it's all about the transparency as well. Now also, guys, you check there, you can see the exchanges where you can find this project. You can see Kishu Swap, obviously that belongs to this to this amazing project. It's called Kishu Swap. It's actually a decentralized exchange, and we also have centralized exchanges also like Gate.io, OKEX, Polynex, Z.com, ZB.com. Also have Uniswap, which is also a decentralized exchange, and we also have BKX, B2B. So I'm hoping that many will be coming. There's many others, thanks to other actively diverse your community, right? Active and diverse community. And also, what the most important thing that we also need to understand about the project as well is also the ecosystem, right? The ecosystem plays a very big role in the project. Now, when you talk about the ecosystem of Kishu, talking about Kishu Swap, you're talking about Kishu Craft. Now, talk about Kishu Craft is an official KishuInu community NFT decentralized marketplace. So you're talking about the marketplace that is actually belongs to the Kishu community. So it's an amazing. It says Kishu Powerprint. Kishu Powerprint is an app which users can track their Kishu tokens start, so you can be able to track your tokens from the day you bought them until where you are, and all those rewards that you get. You can actually go ahead and download that app. And then also there's what we call the Kishu Swap. Kishu Swap or Kishu Swap is takes Kishu to the mainstream by allowing any enthusiast to represent Kishu in the wild and official merchandise sold by the completely ownerless and non-profit transparent organization. Any proceeds will be used to foster and support further KishuInu community. Amazing stuff. The roadmap, you can see, guys, phase 1 successful, phase 2 hidden as well, phase 3 also phase 4. Amazing stuff. You can see, guys, that now we are looking into getting into the phase 4, where in phase 4 we're expecting to have a class roughly around 1 million holders. I'm not really sure where we are, but you can see on phase 3 they're talking about 30,000 holders, but I'm quite sure that we have already exceeded that number. A lot of things. I think some of these things here they've been already achieved. You can see the Kishu craft, the Kishu PowerPoint, Kishu. So most of these things have actually been achieved. So it's just an amazing stuff. So this is actually the white paper of this project, guys. Amazing, amazing, amazing stuff. Now, if you want to look at the tokenomics, you're going to come to CoinGecko and you're going to be able to see the price. This is the current price of the project. But currently, the project, you can see also the chart is very red, guys. This is a great opportunity to get into this project. But remember, this is not a financial advice. Now, you can check the project is down by minus 97.06%. Now, you can see from its all-time high, you can see 649.27% was actually made as profits from there. Now, but if you come down here, you can see the all-time high was reached about May 2021. So this project at this point in time is actually way down. Now you can see the circulating supply there. You can see we're talking about 96 quadrillion right now, and you know that the total supply is roughly around 100 quadrillion. So it's just an amazing it's an amazing stuff. Now you can see the contract there, guys. If you want to check this project, guys, you can check it out. Also, you can check it out. Also, more news also that you can check out from the Medium or from this side as well, which is actually the KishuMedium.com, where you'll be able to find more and more information. Guys, my name is Mr. Shah. Just wanted to give you guys what is actually taking place and what is it that you can look up for, which actually have to be connected with Kishu. So I will actually be giving you guys all the updates about this project. I love this project. It's part of this project from the day one. Actually, I bought this project early and I made quite good profits from it, and I'm still holding and accumulating as many as I can. So I will actually be bringing you guys all the latest news behind Kishu. So make sure that you stay glued to my channel so then you don't miss out in any of the updates that I'll be giving out about KishuInu. KishuInu. See you guys at the top where you belong. Until I see you guys on the next one, I'm out now.